Welcome to the Freemium Starter Kit. I'm assuming that you are watching this video because you just finished installing the package, and at the end this website opened up with this very video linked at the bottom. So let's go over to Unity and see what we can do. The first thing you want to do is open up the example scene. So in Freemium Starter Kit, go to Example and Example Scene and double click it. This example scene is your blueprint for how everything works within the Freemium Starter Kit. So let's run the game and see what's going on. So as you can see, the game works right out of the box. So you should go through and try out the different aspects of the game, as everything in here is available in the Freemium Starter Kit. The next thing I want to do is to talk about the Freemium Editor. From Unity, you click Window, Freemium Starter Kit, and Demo, and then open Example Editor. We are starting with the Example Editor because it will allow you to go through and try out the various parts of the Freemium Starter Kit without installing a bunch of stuff. The real editor, the first time it runs, will take you through the initial setup. Once you have looked around at the example editor for a bit, you should then take some time and read through the notes concerning the example code. Once again, we go Window, Freemium Starter Kit, Demo, Example Code Notes. In the example code notes, this explains a lot of the things that you will see within the example code so that you can understand how it works. For example, this explains the naming conventions that I chose to help you read and understand the code better. Another important aspect is the messaging system. The messaging system consists of two parts: the observer and send message. You will see these used throughout the example code. Here's a list of the different types of messages that you may want to watch out for and react to. There's also a list of messages that you might want to send to the system. These messages are not only a means of communication, but they are also how the system knows that quests or events have happened. When using the Freemium Starter Kit, if you have any trouble at all, come to the FAQ first. You should search for whatever error you are having, as every one that I ran into during development and testing, I wrote down in this FAQ. So just a quick for instance, you run the game, but there's no text showing up. So the solution is that you need to install the Text Mesh Pro. What if your game looks all weird when you run it? What if you get an error that you don't understand, or a screen pop up that you've never seen before? Very likely they will be listed here. The next step in the process is that you should spend some time looking at the example code for the Freemium Starter Kit. As I mentioned before, the example code is in RFI Freemium and then example. Here you will find the scripts that are used to build the game, as well as all of the art and prefabs used in its construction. Once you are done looking through the example code, you should go to the one-time setup and watch the instructional video, which will guide you through setting up the Freemium Starter Kit to work in your project. It is important to note that the Freemium Starter Kit is a large, complex system. It is designed to save mobile game developers a lot of time and effort, but it is by no means a plug-and-play product. You will need to read the documentation, watch the videos, and write some code to get everything working properly.